Website open, nice model, a real big hit. Crazy3D makes cool shit. Click the button, download now. Open in Slicer, preview, wow.
G-code loaded, let's begin. Filament flows nice and thin. Nozzles hot, the bed is tight. First layer down, it's looking right. Spool unwinds, the magic starts. Tastic dreams from digital parts. I press print and take a seat. This is where tech and wonder meet. Layer by layer, I'm building my world. Lines of PLA smoothly swirled. From nothing to something, it's all in the plan. Just plastic and patience and a maker's hand. Layer by layer, the shape comes true. This is my craft, my passion, my glue.
Brims in place, the warping's gone. Print beds level, let's move on. Retraction set, the cooling's fine. That overhang, yeah, that's mine. From phone stands to gears and tools, I bend the rules with heated spools. I'm not a wizard, just well prepared. A benchy captain, proudly nerd declared.
Layer by layer, I'm building my world. Lines of PLA smoothly swirled. From nothing to something, it's all in the plan. Just plastic and patience and a maker's hand. Layer by layer, the shape comes true. This is my craft, my passion, my glue. Octoprints rolling, webcams live. Watching the timelines come alive. Supports fall off like shedding skin. And what was code is now built in. Layer by layer, I'm building my world. Like a digital sculptor, flags unfurled. From dreams to designs, I make